In this video, I will show you how to schedule Instagram posts. This should be a fairly quick and easy process to follow, but before we continue, be sure to leave a like on the video and consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, in order to schedule a post, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Instagram app on your device. And once you've done that, what you want to do is make sure first that you have got a professional profile and not a personal Instagram account. To switch to a professional profile, what you want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto your profile picture. That's going to take you to your profile page. From here, come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the three lines, which are going to take you into your settings. Then what you want to do is scroll down slightly until you see the option about accounts and tools. So it's just a bit down the page here. You can see the options here, account type and tools, underneath full professional. So what you want to do is give that a press. That's going to take you to a screen like this where you can switch to professional account, as you can see at the top of the page. So what you want to do is select that option and then just follow the steps to switch to a professional account. So I'm just going to go through and set this up now. As you can see, once you've done that, you're going to see professional dashboard on your profile page, which means we now have a professional account and you are now good to go and can schedule Instagram post. So to actually go ahead and schedule Instagram posts, what you're going to want to do is just come up and press the plus button, or if you're on Android, it's going to be in the bottom, and then just go ahead and start creating your post as normal. So what you would do is select your photo that you want to post. Then we can just add the normal things, so we can add some audio, we can add some text as well if we want to, and just basically create our post, just like so. Now, once we're happy with everything, come down and press next, and what we can then do on the next screen is tag our people, add our caption and things like that. And once you're happy, before you actually click the blue share button at the bottom, on this screen you want to scroll down to the bottom and press onto advanced settings. Once you've pressed onto advanced settings, as you can see at the top, there is an option here to schedule this post. So what you can do is just simply turn the switch on, then we can choose when to schedule this post for. So you can see we can do it for today, we can do it for tomorrow, or basically whenever you want to schedule the post for. Once that's done, be sure to set the time that you want the post to go live, click done, and then what you can do is just come out of advanced settings, and you're going to see the button at the bottom now says schedule instead of post. So we can go ahead and press schedule. As you can see, the post is now scheduling at the bottom, and we're going to get a confirmation like this saying when our post is scheduled for, and that is how to schedule Instagram posts. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.